In this video, we will see the muscles in the anterior compartment of the thigh. Muscles in the anterior compartment of thigh are: this is sartorius, this is rectus femoris, vastus medialis, this is vastus intermedius, vastus lateralis. In addition to this, we can see part of adductor longus muscle. Then in the floor of this femoral triangle, we see pectineus, psoas major muscle, iliacus muscle, and in lateral part, one of the muscle of the gluteal region, that is tensor fascia lata, we can see. Okay. Now we will see description of these muscles of the front of the thigh. This is sartorius muscle. Sartorius muscle, this originates from the anterior superior iliac spine and notch below the anterior superior iliac spine. Then it runs downward, and in lower part it runs downward and medially, and it is inserted on the upper part of medial surface of tibia here. Upper part of medial surface of tibia. So this is sartorius muscle. This is these muscles are supplied by femoral nerve, and action of sartorius muscle as it crosses hip joint, it is flexion, causes flexion at the hip joint and abduction at the hip joint, and here it is crossing knee joint, so it produces flexion of the knee joint. Okay. So this is regarding sartorius muscle. Action of sartorius muscle is like the movement of the limb of the tailor while sieving. If tailor performs movements, that movement is like the movement of sartorius muscle. Okay. Then this is rectus femoris muscle. This originates from the anterior inferior iliac spine and the part of the gluteal surface of the hip bone above the acetabulum, means below inferior gluteal line. So there is straight head and reflected head. These two heads join and form this single belly of this muscle, and this rectus femoris muscle, it is inserted over the base of the patella in front of vastus intermedius muscle. So this is rectus femoris. Action of rectus femoris muscle: flexion of the hip joint and extension at the knee joint. Nerve supply is femoral nerve. Then vastus medialis muscle. This vastus medialis muscle, this originates from the lower part of the intertrochanteric line, then lateral part of the spiral line from the femur, and in the middle part it originates from the medial lip of the linea aspera and upper part of medial supracondylar line. So like this, there is origin of the vastus medialis muscle. Vastus medialis muscle, it is inserted over the lateral 1/3 part of the base of the patella and upper 2/3 part of the medial border of the patella. Okay. So that is regarding origin and insertion of the vastus medialis. Again supplied by femoral nerve. Action of vastus medialis muscle: it helps during causes extension of the knee joint, and during complete extension it causes medial rotation of the femur and causes locking of the knee joint, and prevents the lateral displacement of the patella. That is the action of vastus medialis muscle. Vastus lateralis muscle, this muscle originates from the upper part of intertrochanteric line of the femur, anterior and lower part of the greater trochanter, then lateral to gluteal tuberosity, and in upper part of the lateral lip of the linea aspera. That is the origin of vastus lateralis muscle. Insertion of vastus lateralis muscle: it is inserted on the lateral 2/3 of the base of the patella and upper 1/3 part of the lateral border of the patella. Then this is insertion. Now supply is by femoral now, and it causes extension, produces extension at the knee joint and helps during walking, running and standing. That is the action of this vastus lateralis muscle. Vastus intermedius muscle, it originates from the anterior and medial surface of femur, most of the anterior and medial surface of the femur, and it is inserted deep to rectus femoris over the base of the patella here. Okay, so that is the origin and insertion of vastus intermedius. We can see this is tendinous part of the vastus intermedius muscle, supplied by femoral now, again produces the extension at the knee joint. That is the action of vastus intermedius. Okay, so in short, one of the common action of this muscles of the anterior compartment of thigh is extension at the knee joint. Okay, then deep to vastus intermedius muscle, in lower part there is presence of articularis genu muscle, which originates from the lower part of the anterior surface of the femur, and it is inserted over the superior part of the synovial pouch of the knee joint, synovial membrane of the knee joint. And action of this, again nerve supply is by femoral now, and action of articularis genu, it during extension of the knee joint, it pulls the synovial membrane upwards and prevents injury to synovial membrane. That is the action of articularis genu muscle, okay, which lies deep to lower part of vastus intermedius muscle here. Okay, so these are main muscles of the anterior compartment of thigh. Okay, in addition to this, in relation to floor of the femoral triangle, these fibers we are seeing, these are of iliacus muscle, and this tendon, white shiny tendon we are seeing, this is of psoas major muscle. Okay, lateral to psoas major muscle there is pectineus muscle, and more medially floor is formed by the adductor longus. This is adductor longus muscle. Okay, so these muscles are additionally seen in the anterior compartment of the thigh. Thank you.